In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add extra fees to the cart using the Dynamic Rules feature in the Wholesale plugin. This feature is useful when you want to apply handling fees, packaging charges, or other custom surcharges based on user roles or cart conditions. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Wholesale, Settings, then select Dynamic Rules from the sidebar. Click on Add New to create a new rule. Enable the toggle to activate the rule. Under Basic Settings, choose Additional Fee. Add extra charge to cart as the action. Then, give your rule a clear label for easy reference in the admin panel. Optionally, you can write a private note describing the purpose of the rule. Scroll down to the Discount Settings section. Select the amount type. Fixed for a flat fee, like $5. Percentage to charge a percentage of the cart total, like 5%. In the amount field, enter the value you want to add to the cart. For example, entering 10 with fixed will add $10. You can control which products or categories this extra fee applies to. Under Product Conditions, choose whether the rule applies to any products, specific products, all products of given category. This allows you to target the fee only when relevant items are in the cart. Enhance your rule using customer history conditions. For example, only charge the fee to users with fewer than 5 orders. Scheduling conditions, apply fees only during specific hours or days. Common conditions, like cart subtotal, quantity, or item count and checkout, shipping country. These allow for very specific and automated fee logic. Once everything is configured, click Save Changes. The rule is now live, and the extra fee will be automatically added when the defined conditions are met. And that's how you can add extra fees to the cart using Dynamic Rules in Wholesale. Use it to cover handling, shipping materials, or any custom charges for wholesale customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our video tutorials for more powerful Wholesale features.